Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create KDP book cover in Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Welcome to a new tutorial video, and today I will be showing you guys how to create KDP book cover in Canva. So let's get into it. So to all of you guys that hasn't used Canva yet, well, Canva is an online design tool that offers users the opportunity to create professional looking posters, slideshows, images, flyers, resumes, cards, certificates, infographics, and other medias. And so first off, to create a book cover here in Canva, we're gonna actually go to a new tab, and on the search bar you're gonna type in KDP book cover. And then once you enter, I want you to click on this KDP cover calculator option right here. And to all of you guys that hasn't used this website yet, well, KDP allows you to self-publish ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcover books for free. And actually, if you read this sentence here, it says, to find out the exact dimension of your cover, use the calculator. You can also download a template to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. And that's basically the reason why we are using this website for today's tutorial. Because by putting in the information about a book, it will calculate the perfect size for your book cover. And also at the end of this process, you will have a book cover template that you can edit in Canva once we do the KDP process. And now for this tutorial video, why don't we assume and enter the book information on the calculator. And so for the first one here, we have the binding type, and once you click this, you can either choose a hardcover or paperback. And for this tutorial, let's just do a paperback here. The next, we have the interior type, and you can choose either black and white, premium color, or standard color. So for this tutorial, let's just do a standard color this time. Then here we have the paper type, and we can only choose white paper. Then let's just stick with this one. Then we have the page turn direction, and you have a choices here if you want to do a left to right or right to left. And I want to do a left to right, so let's just click on this. The next is we have the measurement units, and this is actually important in making a KDP book cover for the Canva, because in Canva we're gonna use inches. So for your KDP book cover also, you're gonna have to make sure that you click the inches option here for your measurement units. And the next one is we have the interior trim sized. Once you click this, you will have a lot of options here that you can choose from. You can even like custom trim size, but for this tutorial, let's just stick with a 6x9 inches trim size. And then the last one is we have the page count. Let's assume that we have 100 pages book, and then just enter. And then what I want you to do is on this option right here, on this yellow button, it says calculate dimensions. I want you to click on that so that it will calculate the book cover for your book. So over here, these are actually the dimensions that created us by providing the book information that we gave us earlier. So here we have here the description, we have here the full cover, front cover, safe area, bleed, margin, spine area, spine safe area, spine margin, and the barcode margin. And over here, these are actually the dimensions for the width and height for our book. And then over here, this is actually the template that it created us, and we're gonna be using this over to our Canva because this will be our guide layer to use in making our KDP book cover over in Canva. And also we're gonna use the full cover dimensions also for the width and height. And so for now, what I want you to do is on this button right here, it says download template. I want you to click on that so that the template right here will be downloaded into your computer. And the next step is I want you to go back to Canva, and then on the upper right corner, I want you to click on the create a design button, and then I want you to go to the custom size. And then as you can see, we have here the width, height, and also the units that we'll be using. So as you can see, we have here the pixels. I want you to change that to inches because over in Canva they are using inches. So for now, I want you to copy and paste it over in Canva. And also for the height as well, And you're gonna have to make sure that you have inches here because in KDP they are using inches, and if you don't use inches here in Canva, it's gonna ruin your template. And then right now I want you to click this create a new design button, and it will direct you shortly into the editor of Canva. So over here we have here the blank page that we created using the dimensions that we put into the Canva. And then on the left side panel of the screen, these are the tools that we can use to maximize our book cover here in Canva. First one is we have the design, elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, projects, and apps. And now why don't we go ahead and start creating the book cover here in Canva. So the first step that you're gonna do is you're gonna upload the guide layer or the downloaded template that we did over in the KDP cover calculator. To do that, just go to the uploads, and as you can see, I have it here already because I already uploaded the file. And if you haven't, you're just gonna click on this button right here to upload the guided layer into your Canva. And then what you're gonna do is you can just like drag it into your page over here. And then you're just gonna resize until it fits to your page here in Canva. And then once you're done with this, you're gonna go to transparency, and then you're gonna listen it. Why? Because as you can see, it can still work. You can still edit on your book cover and also still see the guided layer that we put over here into our page. And then the next step is on this button, you're gonna have to lock this so that while you're editing, the guided layer will not move or will not be funky to ruin up your editing process here in Canva. Alright, so once you have set this up process, now you can now start editing your book cover here in Canva. So to do that, you can just go to elements, and on the search bar, you can look for something that you want to put as your front cover and also for the back cover of your book. Like for example, for my front cover, I'm gonna add a painting, so I can just look for a painting design, and under graphics you can click the CL option, and you will have a lot of options here that you can choose from. And over here I want to use this, so you just click on this option and it's gonna be added shortly into your page. And then what you're gonna do is you can just resize until it fully covers half of your page over here in Canva. And then so once set up, that will be my front cover for my book. And then for the back cover, I just want to add a color, and why don't we search on the search bar, look for a gradient color, and then under graphics you can just click the CL option, and you'll have a lot of options here that you can choose from. And over here, this is actually perfect for my front cover, so why don't we use this one. And once again, just like resize until it fully covers your book cover here in Canva. And so as you can see, you already have a nice book cover that you can use over here in Canva. And then what you're gonna do next, once you are satisfied with this editing, you can go to the text, and then you can now add like informations. Like for example, if you add a heading, then you can change this one and make it as your title for your book. Like for example, the title for my book will be Mountain, and like I can just drag it on top. And over here you can also edit the font style, and then the size, and then the color, and anything that you want to add into your book cover. So as you can see, in just a easy way, you already have a book cover that you can use for your actual book in person. And once you are satisfied with editing your book cover over here in Canva, there's just one more step so that you can download this project right here into your computer. So to do that, we're just gonna go to the position, and as you can see, we have all the layers that we added into our page. And what we're gonna actually do here is we're gonna have to remove the guided layer, and to do that, we're gonna have to unlock first the layer, and then once unlocked, you're gonna have to click on this option right here and select delete. And once deleted, you are now ready to download this into your computer. And to do that, on the upper right corner of your screen, just click the share button, and then just click the download option. And here you can choose whatever file type that you want to download this project. For me personally, I'm just gonna select PNG, and then just click the download button right here, and it will be downloaded into your computer shortly. And that's basically it on how you can make a KDP book cover over in Canva. And I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope somehow I made a difference. And if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, just comment down below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!